Hi, as you know, I am Citrus Maloney and I am Sheri's social media manager. And do you love this outfit this time? Again, I have my faux fur hat, but now I have on a vintage black turtleneck and of course my overalls. But look here, I got pins on my overalls now. So here, have a look. Okay, super cool, right? Okay, so what you're here for is, of course, troll time. And today's troll time comes from Linda. And Linda says, troll time is stupid. The only reason people put things online is for other people to critique. If you don't want that, then don't put stuff online. I don't even know how to respond to that. As a social media manager, like, this is my professional job, is to put things online. And I can pretty much tell you right now that unless someone is specifically asking for your opinion, you really shouldn't give it. Because, like, who are you? You're just a stranger online that nobody knows who you are at all. And your opinion really wouldn't matter. And I mean, if somebody is asking, hey, what do you think of this? Okay, fine, but that doesn't mean you have to be mean about it, right? If you go by your logic, Linda, then that would mean anytime you leave the house, you're asking for people to critique you. Because, I mean, you're out in public, right? It's like being online, you're in public, so people should be able to come up to you and say, oh my God, what are you wearing? That's so ugly. Your hair's so stupid. Whatever that they want to say, right? Because that's your thinking. And also, it doesn't even make sense what you said, because you don't like that Sheri does troll time to answer trolls, but you're a troll and you're saying that if people don't want stuff to be critiqued online, then they couldn't. Sorry. Okay, if people don't want stuff to be critiqued online, then they shouldn't put it online. But you put your comment online. So I guess that means that you want it to be critiqued by Sheri specifically, because you're like criticizing her troll time. Well, you didn't get Sheri, you got me. And I think I explained it pretty good. But like I said, the best kind of course of action here is, unless someone is specifically asking for your opinion, maybe keep it to yourself, especially if it's really negative, because then you're just trying to hurt someone's feelings. And that's like a really sad thing to do. So start looking in the mirror. And if you want to be negative to yourself. And yeah, I don't recommend that though. Maybe try loving yourself a bit more, and then it's easier for you to spread love to other people. Okay? Okay. Yeah, until next time, from me, Citrus Maloney, and Refashionista Sheri, stay safe, stay well, and we'll catch you on the zigzag. Okay, bye!
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.